Well, it's just a quick video on wheel bearings for ride-on mowers. These are off the Westwood or Countax. Yeah, that's very grindy. And the other one's dodgy as well. Got a bit of a stiff spot. So quite easy to change. If you haven't got a blind bearing puller, best thing to do is get like an extension bar that fits down through the hole, and then you're gonna punch them out, hammer them out. So yeah, put it at a bit of an angle, give it a little tap and then switch to the other side, back to that side, and the bearings out. Give that a bit of a clean up. Now it has got little marks where the bearing rests, so you can't really hit it in too far down, but just take note of how deep the bearing is. Pretty much flush normally. This is the old bearing. If you put that part number in, you'll get the wrong bearing most of the time. It's actually a special bearing. So that's the new one. It's actually 6203 RS and it's a 3/4. So yeah, on a normal 6203 bearing, the bore, the internal bore, is smaller. So if you do go to order one, it needs to be 6203 2RS, which just means sealed, and it's a 3/4. So just be aware of that. You know, do a measurement. Bearings, you measure internal diameter, external diameter, and thickness, and that's how you get your bearings. So yeah, you can find these quite easy online, around about £5, £6. So again, just get them cleaned up a little bit. Obviously, if they're severely rusty inside, might have just to get some Scotch-Brite or something like that, and just carefully clean that inside face up. You don't want to make it any bigger though, so don't take any really coarse sanding paper, because you'll make the hole too big. Alright, so we can get our new bearing. Try and get it started. As even as possible. So then you can take a block of wood or a socket. So yeah, get a socket that fits the outer race, which is the outer part of the bearing, the metal bit. And then you just want to hammer this down evenly. You just get a slightly smaller socket. Until it's flush pretty much. Again, use a block of wood if you want to. That's one done. It's just getting it started is the toughest bit. It's quite hard to try and film this and not get in the way. A little bit proud that one still, so it's there we have it. Two new bearings. I hope that helps. Leave the thumbs up if it did. Any questions, let me know. Cheers for watching.